So Dr. Dicianno is a community hero because he has a unique combination of brilliance, creativity, but also caring. And he brings this to all of his work and everything that he does. He makes sure that everything he is researching or the clinical care he delivers is really responsive to the people that need that care to help them live independent and fulfilling lives.
He currently serves as the Associate Medical Director of the Spina Bifida Association. And because of his work, I believe he was the first person that I know of who actually organized or started or ran a clinic for adults with spina bifida.
He started as a kid being at a camp counselor at an accessible camp. And from there, he wanted to help people with disabilities. And so he does all of it. It's not just the clinical care where he takes care of patients and makes sure that, we're healthy medically. I not only work with him, he's also my physician, but he does the engineering part. He does the part of making people's lives better and easier, and, at his work at Hurl, that looking at how to do things better and how to improve it, and just the research aspect of it. It's just amazing to me. I think that's why he's a community hero. He reaches out, he gives the care, and then he makes sure that things even get better.
My work with the disability community goes back to when I was a high school student. I volunteered at summer camps for kids with disabilities, and through that work I got interested in medicine as a career. And eventually, through training in physical medicine and rehabilitation, I've been able to provide clinical care to people with disabilities, build research programs in assistive technology, train others to provide clinical care and do research, and do advocacy at the national level, especially to improve healthcare access for people with disabilities.
In addition, really, to being a stellar clinician, he has a really good focus and knowledge about research itself. So in the spina bifida community, he often is regarded as somebody important to promoting the research related to spina bifida. In the spina bifida community, he really is a rock star. So Brad is essentially known by everybody in the adult community, and is well respected by all of the clinical community.
Dr. Dicianno's legacy really is going to be in his trainees. So he has mentored countless people in clinical care, in research, and clinician scientists locally and all across the country. And so his impact is going to be felt exponentially as those people go out into their work.
Right before I started in Pittsburgh in my job at the Children's Hospital, Dr. Dicianno was running our pediatric spina bifida program, and he made sure that that program stayed afloat, and then he helped me manage it after I got there. It was so important because that program's been around for a long time, but it really needed his leadership then before I got there, and I will be forever grateful that he did that.
The legacy that he has is the care of people, of adults with spina bifida. That's his legacy. We talk about having a care cliff where you become 18 to 26 now, and you have to go from your pediatric clinic to an adult clinic. And in most places, there are not adult clinics. Here in Pittsburgh, there is an adult clinic, and it's because Dr. Dicianno is here. That there was another physician that started the adult clinic, and he picked up his legacy and he moved it forward. And his legacy is not only that clinic, but every resident that he is teaching, every resident he reaches out to, every med student that shadows in our clinic.
My greatest accomplishment, I would say, is my team. I'm very proud of everything that they've been able to do and of their dedication to our clinical and research programs. One example is our UPMC Adult Spina Bifida Clinic. We've recently celebrated our 20th anniversary, which I'm really proud of. We provide very unique clinical programs and research programs that aren't available anywhere in the country or world, really. And I think that we've really been able to move the needle in healthcare for adults with spina bifida and improving access to care. And it's all because of, my team and the work that they do every day.
Hello, Brad, and congratulations. I can think of no one as deserving as you are for this. I'm so happy to be able to celebrate this with you, and I am so grateful for all the work that you do.
Brad, congratulations on this wonderful award. You are absolutely a hero to all of us, and so it's wonderful to see you recognized in this important way.
Brad, congratulations on this award. You are well deserving of it, and I hope you are able to celebrate all of this with the people around you. Know that I care. I wish I could be with you for this. But again, congratulations.
Brad, I am so proud of you, and I am so thrilled that you have gotten this award. I never thought that when I moved to Pittsburgh that my life would change so much. And it's not just my life that has changed because of you, because of the job and working with you, which is tremendous. Every person who meets you, every person who sees you, every person you care for, their lives have been changed because of you. You are the best doctor I know, and quite frankly, the only one that I would want to work with.
My biggest piece of advice to future leaders is really just to stay true to what got you interested in your career in the first place. For me, whenever I have a barrier or a challenge, I try to think back to my very first day at summer camp and the camper that I worked with and the challenges that he faced. And I try to remember that what I'm doing every day is to make the lives of people like him better so that they don't have to face the challenges that he did.